The Karnataka government has banned the controversial film Hamare Barah after several organizations raised concerns about communal tension due to the film. The ban will remain for 2 weeks or until the next order. The government has said in its order that many Muslim organizations had demanded to ban this film, so it is currently being banned to maintain law and order in the state. The film was supposed to be released on June 7th until the Bombay High Court ordered a stay on the worldwide release of the movie. Earlier, SDPI had also held a protest against this movie. Muslim organizations have alleged that some verses of the Quran have been misinterpreted and Islam and Muslims have been misrepresented in the movie. Producers Birender, Bhagat and Ravi Gupta raised concerns regarding the recent development to impose a stay on their film despite receiving a censor certificate. Let us know about your opinion about the movie in the comments below. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.